Hi, this is Dr. Habib. Welcome to Next Health. I'm really looking forward to meeting you on the day. When you come in, you'll be greeted in the waiting room, but not expected to wait very long. Really, it's a time where you'll be very relaxed and comfortable. It's time for you to get to know the team. In particular, we want to spend the time getting to know each other and to go deep, because the history gives a lot of insight about what's going on in the body before we go to the rest of the physical. Come into my office. I'd like you to be relaxed when you come in here. Spend as much time explaining what your day is like. You know, it's not about asking, do you have chest pain or does your knee hurt? It's a little bit more than that. It's a little bit like, what's your day like? When you wake up, how do you feel? Do you have energy throughout the day? Do you have time for a lunch break? How do you feel at the end of the day? So there's a lot more to it. And then when you have those information, we use technology where all the different systems are working at the same time. We'll demonstrate everything and I'll connect the dots for you. So when you tell me how you feel and I have data, I'll match it up for you. And from that, we can create a health roadmap. Once you finish the history, you'll come into my exam room right this way. Here it's all about technology. Oftentimes you'll get your blood pressure read in the arm. Here with technology like this, we're looking at the central arterial pressure. We're looking at the softness of the blood vessels around the organ system. It's data from within. It gives a three-dimensional picture. Once certain data are collected here, we do what the traditional exam is. And from top to bottom, we just look at the physical findings. But data, physical findings, history, we put that together. That's how we create the executive physical. Now, come to my lab area. So we give you the convenience of doing everything in-house. You don't have to go to an outside lab. One of the reasons is because we use sophisticated technology that have to be processed in a specific way and then shipped overnight. And then we also have equipment to do in-house therapies like PRP. It's a one-stop shop and it's all part of the package. When you finish in the examination room, then you'll come and take a seat in our reclining chairs. Even down to drawing the blood is to do with the detail. Like a heating pad and a hot towel just makes it easier to find the vein and get the blood. And once you've finished your blood testing, we will then give you beverages and food and snacks that are healthy for you, so you can relax and just complete the physical examination in a nice way.